Well, we just got into the room at Palm Beach. Wow, what an experience! You know, the incredible weekend at Vitality, the amount of people that are changing lives, not just only physically but financially. And every one of you need to experience it. And we're going to be running hard over the next few months, heading towards Atlanta in November at the NST. Any of those that want to really seriously run, to make sure they're walking stage as NDPD ambassador over the next 90 days, we're ready to run this. The leadership is so in line, so on message, and ready to go and get in those homes and help every one of those who want to fulfill their dreams for themselves and their families. You know, it's a done deal. We just got to go and put the work together. But, you know, this experience this weekend, not only the convention, but the association with the leadership, and now being here in Palm Beach, just north of Miami, to have a few days of R&R. But you know what? It's not going to be R&R. We're going to be associating with the people that have gone out and done the work, sharing stories, experiences, our visions and dreams and expectations. And you can be part of that. We want you to be part of that. And, you know, what we need to be doing this week is making sure that we're doing everything, going back to basics, making sure we're associating with the people that are actually doing the action. You know, we can sit and talk, or we can go out and do. And it's a call to action to every one of you. Let's go out and do this together. Let's go out and make things happen for each and every one on the team that really want to go out there and stake a claim and make their dreams a reality. Because you know what? We're having so much fun this last few days. I just want to show you just quickly what we're excited about as we share the dreams, share the passion. You know, I'm so proud of the UK right now, and the UK team, what we're putting together. But, you know, we can do so much more. And I believe in every one of you. And I want to be able to look you in the eye and know that over the next 90 to 120 days, we did what it took to get you to ND or PD or ambassador. If that's your dream, if that's your desire, if that's your wish. Because if that is, let's go to work and make it happen. Because the team's on message and we're ready to make things happen with you. We'll see you soon. Take care.